What's up, guys? I wanted to show you some pictures of the Corvette parts as I got them ready for paint and in the painting process. Like I said, I'm doing this at a school, so I can't take any videos, but I wanted to show you guys, some of the body filler that I had to put on the rear fenders to make them look good, and, then what it looks like in the booth with some base coat on it and when I cleared it. So all of these pictures that are on the screen right now are of the process of doing that with the fenders and the doors, and obviously then when I put it on the car to test out to see how it looked. And then when I put the car on my trailer, brought it to school, had it taped up in the paint booth, and putting the base coat, on the car, and that all looks like, and some sneak peeks of it all together. So, and you can kind of see how it has, come across and how much it's gotten done. And obviously, I'm going to go into more detail later, but just wanted to share the pictures before I get into the video of it. So hopefully you guys like what it looks like and how I'm progressing. Basically, it's all painted now and I just have to start putting it together. So I will update you guys, more when I start doing that. How's it going, everybody? I'm here with an update on this Corvette, and obviously you can see that everything's been painted and I've started putting it back together. So this is a huge step that I just I'm in the process of doing. Things back on, but the doors with the mirrors and the handles are all on here. The wide body kit fenders are on here. Sneak peek at the new wheels. There's no spaces on there just yet, so they're not spaced out correctly. But as you can see, we are getting a lot of progress done on this. So I just wanted to give a real quick update. It's tucked in my garage still. So once I clean it up, it's really dirty. So once I clean it up, I will bring it outside and show you guys better. But pretty much the back end is all set. The reason that the front end is not getting put back on just yet is I'm going to take the steering rack out of this car to rebuild. It's leaking, it's seeping a little bit. So it's gonna come out. Obviously it's right there, but that's gonna come out. And I'm going to do a video on how to take that out and how to rebuild it with all the O-rings and the kit that you can buy to fix that. So for right now, this is the way it's going to be. I'm hoping that the steering rack will just, be a couple days worth. Nothing major, just taking it out and all that. And then I can finally get back to finishing up the front end, putting all the body panels on, in getting this wrapped up. But hopefully you guys like the way it's coming out. Obviously it's filthy dirty. I've been sanding and buffing and doing all that stuff, so it's not clean right now. But hopefully you guys can appreciate what this color looks like and how good it looks. Next thing I'm going to do is the steering rack. So thank you for watching.